Good morning, students. Till now we have discussed about different types of solution like true solution, suspension, colloids, etc. In the previous class we also discussed about saturated and unsaturated solution. And now we know that any solution consists of a definite amount of solute which is dissolved in a definite amount of solvent at a definite temperature, and this tendency of a solution is only termed as solubility. So we will discuss about it in more detail. First, the definition. It is the maximum amount of a solute that can be dissolved in 100 gram of a solvent at a particular temperature. So you can easily see that the amount of solvent is definite, that is 100 gram, and temperature is also particular, it is also definite. So if temperature is also certain, any certain temperature is there, and the amount of solvent is 100 gram, then the amount of solute which can be dissolved in that will be its solubility. You will better understand by the following examples. We can see solubility of different substances in 100 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius. So you can see the amount of solvent is definite, that is 100 gram. Temperature is also definite, that is 20 degrees Celsius. So the solubility of different substances like copper sulfate, potassium nitrate, etc. you can see. The solubility of copper sulfate is 21 gram, potassium nitrate is 32 gram, potassium chloride is 34 gram, sodium chloride is 36 gram, ammonium chloride is 37 gram, and sugar is 204 gram. So we can say sugar is having maximum solubility in 100 gram of water at 20 degrees Celsius. So now we will discuss more about solubility. How solubility changes, whether it changes or not changes, all that we will discuss here. Effect of temperature and pressure on solubility. First, solubility of solid solute increases with increase in temperature and decreases with decrease in temperature. It means if solute is solid, so when temperature increases, more solute can be dissolved in it, and if temperature decreases, less solute will be dissolved in the solution. Second point, solubility of gases in liquids decreases with increase in temperature and increases on decreasing temperature. It means when gases are present, they are dissolved in liquids, and if that liquid is heated, then that gas comes out. That means the solubility of gas decreases on increasing temperature and vice versa. Next point, solubility of solid in liquid remain unaffected by changes in pressure. So if any solid is dissolved in liquid and if there will be any change in pressure, nothing will happen to the solubility, it will remain same. But this won't be the case in case of a gas dissolved in a liquid. So solubility of a gas in liquid decreases on decreasing pressure and increases on increasing pressure. That means when we dissolve a gas in a liquid and increase or decrease the pressure, according to that only the solubility also increases or decreases. That's all for today. We will discuss more examples in the next class. Thank you.